Hi, my name is Brad, and I'd like to tell you a short story about myself. I developed this disorder, I believe, through using a very strong cleaning agent, almost a detergent or a very heavy-duty industrial cleaning agent. And I exposed my hands to it, my raw hands to it, without the use of gloves. And the doctor had agreed with me that that's what the onset was, but now he couldn't fix it. I work in the public sector. And I come in contact with a lot of people who come in off the street, and I'm in the printing industry, so my hands were constantly exposed to other things, and I certainly was quite embarrassed to have the palms of my hands, which were the problem manifested, and I was getting scaling and cracks, and it was just a very unfortunate disorder to have. And I certainly was embarrassed by having the customers see this on my palms. And of course I went to the conventional medicine route. I went to my dermatologist. He prescribed several ointments and creams, and I tried them. They seemed to go away temporarily. I was revisited with the disorder after several weeks, and of course I tried a stronger ointment and cream, and that turned into lasers and whatnot, laser treatment. And it seems that the problem kept coming back all the time, and it was getting worse and worse and worse. Now, after about a year and a half of this with my dermatologist, I went to another dermatologist thinking, gee, maybe this guy doesn't know, maybe he is not the accredited as I thought he would be, and so I went to another one, and she was unsuccessful as well, and I went to her for about 6 months, and I went to a third, and that didn't work out either. So I was a little bit disgruntled, I can't believe I got this problem that I can't get to go away. So I went to some nutrition and health food stores, and I received some advice from some counselors there, and they had suggested that I try these supplements to get rid of my issue. Well, about 6 months, probably 8 months of this, and nothing at all. So I was referred to New Species by a friend and client, and she told me all about their products, and so I tried them. Much to my delight, I felt New Species working immediately, and when I say immediately, I mean within the first week. And after that, I progressed and got better and better and better. My skin felt better, I felt amazing, I felt revitalized. I was transforming myself into the person I used to be. Now, I'm not trying to discredit the conventional medicine, dermatology by any means. I'm just saying that sometimes people out there have a disorder or some issue going on that conventional medicine just can't combat. And in the back of my mind, in the beginning, after I was doing my dermatology visits and nothing was working, I kept thinking, gee, when you hear about reaching middle age and not really, and reaching a point where you develop this syndrome or this disorder and you have to live your life with it, I thought, gosh, could that be me? Will I have this for the rest of my life? An incredible amount of pain associated with this because of the cracks in the palms of my hands, and I wouldn't say lesions, but cracking, and it was almost so painful where I couldn't tie my own shoe, and that I remember very, very clearly. And it was 2 weeks after that I went on the New Species products. So, long story short, I just want to say thanks, New Species. I'm better today for New Species, doing a great job, and I fully vouch for their products and supplements, and thank you.